the 2 cup water and what I call it, gelatin?
Yep, gelatin. It's Kanten, which is agar. But how much you putting in?
4 spoons. This one comes with a spoon. Same gelatin. Yeah. Here to make sure that melted.
Heat 2 cups of water. Add your gelatin, which is 1 teaspoon, or 4 of the little spoons that they include with the packet. Red bean paste, Koshi An. If you've ever had anpan in Japan or at a bakery, this is the stuff that's inside of it. Just a note, they sell 2 kinds of that red bean paste. They have some that has the bean still in it and some that has no bean. You want to get the one with no beans. So she cuts the package open so it's a little easier to get it to come out.
You just mix it smooth.
Whisk it until smooth.
Yeah. Already melted like this.
Nice and smooth.
And you can make 12.
You ladle it out. You'll end up with 12 of these. You don't have to oil the pan or anything. It'll come out really easy once they've cooled down.
Take about half hour to cool off. And you just slide off and take them out from the cupcake pan and keep it in the refrigerator. And let it cool and you eat it.
Until they've hardened up. Use a little spatula. And there you go. Mizu Yokan. Just like they sell in the store, and they're about $2.50 each. Kyoko's Kitchen. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.